So this one's not going to be a long process. Still on the head job. No compression. I think it did drive low on water. I did open the cap here. I did swing the engine over. And to confirm that, you can actually smell the exhaust gas coming out of here. So yeah, instead of us wasting time, I'm going to pull the intake and shit. All the intake in electrical components quickly. And I'm going to do a compression check, which is not necessary, but I'm going to check it anyway. I'm going to run through this car very quick, because yeah, I've got a massive workload. Like I said, we're running through this one because we need to disassemble this one. Shit, can you see down there? But yeah, there's water down that hole. You see that? Let's do the next one. Okay. That's all full. That is quite bad, eh? Yeah, I'm not where I'm supposed to be because of other muster here outside. So, yeah, that was a non-runner. It started in the rain now. So now I can continue with this one. So that was an appointment, man. So, you're supposed to be here at 9 o'clock already. Came at 10. I think I spent about an hour on that car now. And the lines here over here. Yeah, no, that's how far we got. And then I must now turn the motor and put it on its timing and so on, Sinjay. And then a fucking geyser of water shot out of here. The exhaust is covered in water. Like, you can see it from here. And then there's still water down there, no? There is still water in the cylinder down there. I got most of it out. But I'm pulling most of the head, so it's fine. But there's water in all of them. But that one was full to the top. And that one, there's still water in that one. But yeah, I want to pull this off. I no longer have this long reach sets anymore. I have to go and buy another set tomorrow morning. Yeah, I was ordered to stop working. As ek vir op praat, luister jy maar. En sy is in die molligheid deel aan vir julle res van die week. Ja, en is Easter week, so yeah, you don't mess with women Easter week. Hulle is klaar in a mood, so don't mess with the wife. That's how far we got. So just pulling there and dropping about the engineers. The rest of this gou môreoggend. Just pulling the intake. But yeah, pulling all that cock behind there off and pulling all of this shit out of your way and dismantling all this shit to leave it there and then having to suspend the motor without suspending the motor. Yeah, you see the aircon down there? Now the blocky works perfect, my bro. The motor will stand dead still. It's solid still on 3 axes. It's even more stable because you're securing it on the power steering, on the aircon. You're not putting weight and stuff on it, man, so you're right. You're actually pulling weight off from the setup here. But yeah, I'm gonna continue this tomorrow morning. Hier staan nog 2 of 3 karre buitekant wat nog gehaal word. But I need to pack up now. I can't cap on. And then yeah, it's the 15th of April, so it's my birthday. And I was commanded to stop fucking put tools down and pack this shit up now. So yeah, that's what's happening. Yeah, to be continued tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow morning I'm gonna drop this with the engineers and what they tell me on the basis of what we find there now. Yeah, she was very low. About the 500 ml water came out, or coolant came out of this thing. Just the 500 ml. That was it.